Dropping someone off at Heathrow Airport? Don't get caught by surprise. Since Heathrow introduced its drop-off charge, many drivers have faced unexpected fines. In this video, we'll explain how the charge works, how to pay it, and how to avoid penalties. The Heathrow Airport drop-off charge is a small fee applied to all vehicles entering terminal forecourts. It's designed to help reduce congestion and emissions around the airport. The charge applies at all terminals 2, 3, 4, and 5. The current charge is £6 per vehicle per entry. There are no barriers or booths. Cameras automatically record your number plate using the ANPR system as soon as you enter. The drop-off charge applies to all vehicles, including private cars, taxis, minicabs, and delivery vehicles. Even if you're stopping for just a few minutes, payment is required. If you forget to pay, a parking charge notice will be sent to your home address. The fine is £80, but if you pay within 14 days, it's reduced to £40. Since the system uses automatic number plate recognition, it's almost impossible to avoid detection. Some vehicles are exempt, including blue badge holders who register in advance, emergency service vehicles, and Heathrow staff with valid permits. If you want to avoid the charge completely, use the long-stay car parks, where you can drop off passengers and take a free shuttle to the terminal. Want to skip the stress altogether? Book your Heathrow ride with minicabs.co.uk. Our professional drivers handle airport drop-offs daily. No hidden fees, no fines, and no last-minute payments. We make sure you or your loved ones reach the terminal smoothly and on time.